The 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia is a compact sports sedan that stands out with its bold design and thrilling performance. While many competitors focus on subtle styling, this Italian sedan embraces its identity with a sharp roofline and signature trefoil grille. It delivers an engaging driving experience with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 280 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The precise steering and responsive handling make every journey exciting, reinforcing Alfa Romeo's reputation for performance-focused engineering. For 2025, Alfa Romeo simplifies the Giulia lineup, offering a base model and the Tributo Italiano edition. This special edition enhances both design and performance with a limited slip differential, adaptive suspension, and 19-inch dark aluminum wheels with red calipers. The 2025 Audi Q8 is a luxury sport utility vehicle that blends bold design with refined comfort. It shares its platform with the Audi Q7, but has a more aggressive stance, a two-row seating layout, and a slightly smaller cargo area. Designed for those who want a dynamic driving experience while maintaining a smooth and composed ride, the Q8 competes with the BMW X6 and the Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe, both of which focus on style rather than maximum utility. Audi also offers higher performance versions, the SQ8 and RSQ8, delivering significantly more power. For 2025, the Audi Q8 introduces standard traffic sign recognition as its key update. The starting price is $75,695. While higher trims can reach $83,795. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the legendary Land Cruiser lineup. Originally expected to debut in 2024, the launch has now been pushed back to early 2026 due to production delays and certification issues. Toyota is developing this compact off-roader to bring rugged capability to a smaller, more affordable package, staying true to the Land Cruiser's heritage. Toyota first teased this model in 2023, revealing a boxy and tough-looking design inspired by the compact cruiser EV concept. The vehicle is expected to be slightly larger than the Corolla Cross but smaller than the RAV4, measuring about 177 inches long, 72 inches wide, and 72 inches tall, with a wheelbase of 108 inches. The 2025 Mazda BT50 has arrived with significant updates, aiming to expand its presence in the competitive pickup truck market. While many consider the Australian market dominated by the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux, Mazda is determined to increase its share with this refreshed model. Mazda introduced the BT50 in 2006, with the second generation sharing its platform with the Ford Ranger. Sales improved, but even greater success followed in 2020, when Mazda partnered with Isuzu to build the third generation on the same foundation as the D-Max. This model sold an average of 14,000 units per year. Now, with this latest update, Mazda targets 18,000 annual sales in Australia, the largest market for the BT50. The 2025 BT50 offers 4 dual-cab four-wheel drive models, all powered by a 3-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The 2025 Volvo S90 is a luxury sedan that offers a spacious interior and a refined design. It provides the comfort of a full-size sedan while being priced more like a mid-size competitor. However, it has a few characteristics that set it apart. The first is its platform, which has been in use for several years. The second is its powertrain, as every model comes with a four-cylinder engine, which does not always match the refinement of some competitors. For 2025, Volvo has simplified the model lineup. The plug-in hybrid variant is now called T8 all-wheel drive, removing the previous Recharge label. The highest trim level has also been renamed Ultra instead of Ultimate. Pricing for the 2025 Volvo S90 starts at $59,495 and goes up to $72,395, depending on the trim and options. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson is a stylish and practical compact sport utility vehicle designed for families and daily commuters. It offers more interior and cargo space than many of its rivals, making it a convenient option for those who prioritize comfort and versatility. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 187 horsepower comes standard, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is the default setup, while all-wheel drive is available for those who need extra traction. Although it is not the fastest in its class, the Tucson provides a smooth and comfortable ride. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions offer more power, but none of the Tucson models deliver the sporty handling of some competitors. The 2025 BMW 5 Series has evolved, offering a refined balance between luxury and performance. While it may not be as sharp as past models, it remains a strong contender in the mid-size luxury sedan market. Positioned between the compact 3 Series and the ultra-luxurious 7 Series, it provides a high-end cabin, modern technology, and a smooth ride. Comfortable seats in both rows make it ideal for daily commutes and long journeys, while an advanced digital dashboard enhances the driving experience. The standard engine is a turbocharged four-cylinder, but more powerful options are available. The turbocharged inline-six delivers greater performance, while the plug-in hybrid variant generates 483 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard on all but the base model. BMW has worked to bring back some of the driving dynamics that defined previous generations. The 2025 Toyota Corolla continues to be a popular choice for drivers who value reliability, efficiency, and affordability. While it might not deliver the most exhilarating driving experience, it offers a smooth and predictable ride, making it an ideal option for everyday commuting. Available in both sedan and hatchback body styles, the Corolla is powered by a 2-liter four-cylinder engine that generates 169 horsepower. This engine is paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission, sending power to the front wheels. Competing models like the Honda Civic and Mazda the 3rd of May offer sportier handling, but the Corolla focuses on dependability and fuel efficiency. For 2025, Toyota introduces the Corolla FX, a special edition inspired by the Corolla FX16 from the 1980s. The 2026 Porsche 911 continues to prove that a rear-engine sports car can deliver exceptional handling and blistering acceleration. For over 6 decades, Porsche has refined the 911's unconventional layout, turning what could have been a drawback into an advantage. The 2026 model stays true to its roots with its signature silhouette and the option for a manual transmission in the Carrera T. While the base Carrera offers plenty of excitement, those seeking extreme performance can turn to the powerful turbo or the track-focused GT3. After a major update in 2025, the 2026 Porsche 911 introduces a few refinements. The future of automotive luxury is evolving, and Mercedes-Benz is leading the way once again. The upcoming 2026 Mercedes S-Class, recently seen in testing, is set to redefine what a luxury sedan can be. This is more than just an update. It is a bold statement that the S-Class remains the ultimate symbol of refinement and innovation. The current S-Class has been on the market for 4 years, yet Mercedes-Benz continues to refine its excellence. Originally expected to debut in late 2024, the refreshed version is now anticipated to arrive by late 2025 or early 2026. This strategic delay allows Mercedes-Benz to perfect every detail and ensure that the S-Class remains at the forefront of luxury. Spy images reveal a sophisticated balance of heritage and modernity. The most noticeable change is a redesigned grille, now larger and more prominent, giving the car a stronger presence. The 2025 Mazda 3 is a stunning compact car that combines style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Available in both sedan and hatchback models, it offers a perfect mix of elegance and practicality. With its sleek design, refined interior, and advanced features, the Mazda 3 is built to impress from every angle. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver or a car that delivers excitement on the road, this model has something for everyone. One of the standout features of the 2025 Mazda 3 is its affordability. The base sedan starts at $25,135, making it more budget-friendly than the previous version. The hatchback introduces a new trim called the 2.5S, priced at $26,135, which is $740 less than before. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade is here to redefine what it means to drive a family sport utility vehicle. As Hyundai's largest sport utility vehicle, the Palisade enters its second generation with a bold new design, cutting-edge technology, and improved practicality. Built on the same platform as the widely praised Kia Telluride, this model remains a strong competitor in the mid-size sport utility vehicle category. With a more striking appearance, a larger interior, and new features, this upcoming Palisade is designed to meet the needs of modern families. The exterior of the new Palisade embraces a more upright and boxy design, creating a strong and confident look. A wide silver pillar at the rear and bold new lighting elements connect its styling with Hyundai's latest electric models, such as the Ioniq 9. Larger exterior dimensions and an extended wheelbase provide additional interior space, making it one of the most spacious sport utility vehicles in its class. The 2025 Corvette SUV is set to challenge the Porsche Cayenne with a powerful lineup of engines and a design focused on performance. After decades of competition between the Chevrolet Corvette and the Porsche 911, Chevrolet is expanding the Corvette name into the world of high-performance sport utility vehicles. This move places Chevrolet in direct competition with Porsche's best-selling models, the Macan and Cayenne, which have dominated the luxury performance SUV market for years. General Motors has taken its time to introduce a performance-oriented sport utility vehicle, but the wait appears to be worth it. The Corvette SUV will be built on the Alpha platform, which is the foundation of the Chevrolet Camaro as well as the high-performance Cadillac CT4V and CT5V Blackwing models. This suggests that the Corvette SUV will not only deliver an engaging driving experience but may also be available in two sizes, similar to how Porsche offers both the Macan and the Cayenne. The Honda Prelude is making a comeback after nearly 25 years. The sixth generation of this legendary sports coupe is set to arrive in late 2025, bringing a fresh take on performance and style. For decades, the Prelude has been known for its balance of agility, precision, and affordability. Now it is returning with modern technology and a hybrid powertrain. This is a significant moment, because Honda has not offered a dedicated performance-focused two-door model for a long time. The last Prelude and the S2000 were discontinued in the early 2000s, leaving a gap in the market. The previous generations of the Prelude earned a strong reputation for their excellent handling at an affordable price. In fact, it won a best handling test for cars under $30,000 in 1997. A new Prelude that maintains those qualities would be an exciting addition to Honda's lineup, especially as fun and affordable sports cars become harder to find. The 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid might not be the most thrilling option, but it continues to be a favorite for its affordability, efficiency, and spacious interior. This year, the Camry receives a refreshed design and shifts to an all-hybrid powertrain lineup. Previously, it offered a 6-cylinder engine, along with hybrid and non-hybrid 4-cylinder options. But for 2025, Toyota focuses entirely on hybrid technology. Buyers can choose between front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, with the most powerful version delivering up to 232 horsepower. There is no official confirmation yet, but a plug-in hybrid version called the Camry Prime could be introduced. With a modernized cabin featuring updated infotainment and styling inspired by the larger Toyota Crown, the Camry Hybrid remains a strong competitor to the Honda Accord and Hyundai Sonata. It has also secured a place on the Editor's Choice list for 2025. The 9th-generation Camry debuts with a bold new look, a completely redesigned interior, and an updated hybrid powertrain. Pricing starts at $29,495 and goes up to $35,695 depending on the trim level and selected features.